I am really having some second thought on bees now. And now let's invite the next speaker. Her name was Lillian!
Hi everybody, my name is Lillian, and today my speech is about homework. After a long day at school, the last thing I want to hear is don't forget your homework. Because, let's be honest, by the time I get home, my brain is tired. Not a little tired, I mean my brain feels like mashed potatoes tired. I have only been sitting, listening, writing, and raising my hand all day. When I finally get home, all I want to do is relax and think about snacks. Instead, I hear time for homework. Homework can feel like a waste of time. It's tiring, it's boring. I know I'm not the only one who feels this way. Homework can take away time from sports, game, and being a kid. And let's be real, no one has ever said, wow, we can't wait to do a math homework tonight. But as much as I don't like to admit it, homework might actually have a point. Homework helps us practice when we learn in class. Just like practicing a sport or an instrument, doing it more than once helps us improve. If we never practice, we will forget everything, and then tests will feel even scarier. Homework also teaches responsibilities. It helps us learn how to manage our time, finish tasks, and not panic at the last minute. Still, that doesn't mean homework should take forever. Spending hours on homework after a long school day is just too much. That's how homework turns from helpful into evil. Homework can be shorter and more interesting. It could include fun activities, reading something we actually like, or practical teachers. Teacher can give options so student can take breaks, maybe even snack breaks. In the end, homework can be helpful, but it even makes sense. If homework helps us learn without making us feel exhausted, that is a good thing. And if homework ever starts to feel like mashed potatoes again, that's probably a sign we need less of it. Thank you.